If we eat knives, phones, or cords, it doesn't mean that we lack vitamins. It means that there is a new video with funny pranks about the edible DIY world around us. I've got a new iPhone, but it's not regular. It's edible. It's a limited chocolate edition. It looks exactly like a real iPhone. It has colorful wallpaper, icons, and a usual interface. And I'm going to prank my friend with it. Print a picture of an iPhone on sugar paper and cut it out. Cut chocolate to be of the same size as the sweet gadget. Turn it around the smooth side down and fold foil to make borders around the chocolate. Melt the remains of the excess chocolate in a double boiler. Pour it on top. Spread it over the entire surface and let it harden. Take off the foil. Trim the edges using a knife. Attach the iPhone picture to the chocolate with edible glue. We go to a picnic. The weather is splendid. It's high time to take a selfie. Redhead takes a photo with her phone. Meanwhile, I take out my chocolate gadget. My friend wants to take a photo with my phone too, but I am ahead of her and bite off the selfie camera. Redhead is perplexed. How is it possible? She tries to taste her own phone, but it is not that sweet. It should be Apple's new sweet version. Choco iPhone 11? Anyway, an edible phone looks great. A selfie with a bitten gadget will get millions of likes. I'm a real fan of EOS lip balm. I love it so much that I could easily take part in the lip balm advertising campaign, especially as my EOS is no regular one. Cover an EOS with a thick layer of Vaseline. Cut a plastic cup in half and pour hot glue in it. Press down the EOS into the hot glue. Remove the container when the glue hardens. Make an imprint of the bottom part of the EOS in another cup in the same way. Take out the molds when they are ready. Wash off Vaseline thoroughly and let them dry. Cover the mold with starch and spread sugar paste over the inside. Sprinkle a Chupa Chups with starch and press it down with the sugar paste. Remove the sweet container. Trim the edge. Make the bottom part of the EOS in the same way. Cut off the stick of the Chupa Chups. Spread edible glue over the sweet EOS and attach the lollipop. Cover it with the sugar paste cap. My new EOS is not just for lips. You may also use it instead of a dessert. I open the lip balm and apply the sweetness to my lips. And then I bite it off. My friend stares at me totally amazed. Then she follows me tasting the cap. Yummy! And when she is out of the sweet cap, I will share mine. I've got an apple, and my friend's got a knife. Very opportunely. I will share my apple with her, but hardly I manage to cut the apple when my friend takes the knife away from me. Trace the blade of a kitchen knife on rice paper. Cut it out and duplicate a couple of times on rice paper. Cover the detail with edible glue. Attach other layers to make the knife thicker. Cover the knife with silver food coloring. Let it dry under a press. Knead colored sugar paste and shape it into a knife handle. Make a cut and put in the rice blade. Don't hurry up to cut the apple. Look, I bring the knife to my face as though I'm an illusionist and bite off a piece of the blade. Oops! It seems I've overdone it a little. My friend hasn't been ready for my tricks. She can't handle such a plot twist, so she passes out. I react quickly. I take away the apple and soften my friend's falling with a marshmallow pillow. Oh boy! I didn't want to make my friend unconscious. It's just an edible knife. Attach marshmallows to each other with edible glue. Make strips, and then connect them into a square. Put on a couple of sweet marshmallow layers more. I put the soft pillow under my friend's head. She regains consciousness and the first thing she can notice is a sweet smell. A marshmallow pillow? It looks so tasty. It'll give you sweet dreams, unless we eat it before the night comes. It's hard to stay away from it. Books keep loads of secrets. In my case, the book keeps my money too. I put it in between the pages so that no one can find it. Print pictures of dollar bills on rice paper. Cut off the excess. Redhead is already here. She found my paper safe. Money! Oops, it's counterfeit. The banknote has only one side. Oops, I've torn out the banknote. What should I do? And here is my friend coming. What will she say? It's her money. She bites off a piece of the banknote and takes a sip of tea. Well, then I will also taste it. Huh, it's nice. Pretty delicious. Who says money can't substitute food? They just don't know how to cook it. We can't do without a snack in our home cinema. The movie is so breathtaking that we eat all the snacks. In addition to this, my friend comes out of nowhere at the most inopportune moment. Once we finish chewing on a cookie, we start with gadgets. Heat Fruittella candies in a microwave until the mass is smooth and soft. Put in black food coloring. Knead the mass wearing gloves. Roll the Fruittella into a thin rope, which is of the same size as the cord. Cut off the excess. Attach plugs to the ends of the sweet cord. Make flat sides using a knife. Cover the metallic parts of the candy USB connectors with silver food coloring. I feel the cord and pull it into my mouth, biting the USB connector. My friend takes a mouse without looking at it. Melt a bar of chocolate in a double boiler. Pour hot chocolate into an egg mold. Smooth the surface and let it harden. Take the hardened chocolate out of the mold. Make lines that imitate buttons on a mouse with a modeling tool. Take a big pill of ascorbic acid and cut it in half. And make cuts around the rim. Cut out a rectangular hole for a scroll button using the modeling tool and insert half of the pill. If the whole movie is going to be so stressful, then we might be able to eat the entire computer. But thanks to the mouse and the cord, we have managed to calm down. Let's take up edible art. We will make a picture out of wafers. Print a funny picture on wafer paper. Lay out wafers to be of the same size as the picture. Cut off the excess. Attach the wafers to each other using edible glue. Fasten the wafer picture on top of the wafer base. Make a frame out of crunchy cookie sticks. Decorate it with strawberry chocolate drops. Put the picture on a shelf when it is ready. And everyone who passes by breaks off a piece of art to go with tea. Eating a masterpiece for dessert is a sign of good taste. Wonders happen in our bathroom sometimes. I come in to apply some cream, and my friend enters to have a bite of soap. Take the wafer layer off an ice cream bar. Smooth out the surface. Write soap with a sharp modeling tool and put the ice cream into a clean soap dish. I look at this unbelievable scene and I am totally shocked. If she eats some more, she will breathe out soap bubbles. Is there actually nothing more delicious in the fridge? I wonder what she will eat next. A shampoo cocktail? Or maybe a shower gel sauce? Did you like our edible ideas? Then write in your comments which edible thing you will cook to prank your friends. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new delicious and funny pranks on the Troom channel.